Hey guys, I'm Betty.
Hi, I'm Ananda.
And welcome to Hit or Myth, where we test popular kitchen hacks. In today's episode, we are going to be testing whether or not you can make French toast using melted ice cream.
So traditionally you make French toast with a custard made of milk, eggs, cream, sugar. Ice cream is basically that. So we're very excited to try this out and see if it works.
We planned ahead a little bit and thawed ours out a couple of hours ago. I have vanilla, Ananda has coffee. You can also just zap these in the microwave for 15 seconds at a time until they're totally liquefied.
So let's pour the melted ice cream into a baking dish. This is just 1 pint. Look at that. We have some sliced challah here. Challah is really great for making French toast, and so is brioche. So we're just gonna pat gently to let the custard soak into the bread.
So you guys probably noticed that we have 2 different colors of ice cream here. That's because mine's vanilla, Ananda's is coffee, and that's our favorite part about this trick, let's be honest. Who doesn't want to make cookies and cream flavored French toast?
True. The world is your ice cream. Okay, we're gonna flip these and pat them again just so that the ice cream custard gets all up on the challah. Okay, so these have been soaking for a bit, just a couple minutes on each side. We're gonna get some butter and oil in the pan. Gonna turn this up to medium. And we are going to sear these, thank you, on each side for 3 to 4 minutes.
Another great aspect of this trick, if it works, is that you're not cooking with any raw eggs.
Okay, so these are searing. I'm gonna take a little peek and see how they're doing.
Ooh.
Nice.
A little golden brown.
Nice. Let's give it a couple more minutes before we flip.
Ooh. Oh my
How
gosh.
nice is that?
Beautiful.
Yes.
Perfect.
That golden brown color, again, 3 to 4 minutes on each side over medium heat. Okay, so I'm gonna take a peek at these. I think they're ready. They're just a nice, golden brown.
Looks good.
So let's plate them. We have the coffee on the bottom,
Yum.
vanilla on the top.
Raspberries for you.
Raspberries makes it, a little bit healthier, I suppose. Okay, let's do it. Here's your
Great.
fork.
Thank you.
Let's try the vanilla.
I'm gonna try yours. Coffee.
Looks really tasty. Really good.
It's so good.
I love how it's so custardy in the middle, just like French toast should be, but it's very rich and decadent and not like an overindulgent way.
I think it actually might be better.
Okay, so we are declaring this a hit. It definitely works. It's nice and fluffy. The custard soaks into the challah bread.
So we love this with vanilla and coffee, but I think cookies and cream would be amazing, chocolate chip cookie dough.
Ooh.
Try it at home and let us know in the comments. Thanks so much for tuning in. We will catch you guys next time.
Bye.